look like Vietnam. Squad look like Vietcong. My money wouldn't be this long if I ain't an op trying to milk my shit. Cash with $100.50. Laugh, take a yellow cab to the bank. Motherfucker, I've been swooping. Tell her what it is. Running the train on your beats. Killer squad in the beans. Motherfucker, I've been swooping. Tell her who we
Probation! Probation!
I don't give a fuck about none of that dumb shit. We coolin' perks with a hole that look like dirt. Hit 'em up with a pump gun cock, right? You won't, you gon' get shot, right? Red dot sight on your face like, what's up now, my brother? Like I'm in the whip. New coke chain, pure coke chain, I'm finna impress. Spilling the whole fucking back with a stack. Rack up on rack, back up on guard, shit on the law. Stand up above with the hammer record.
Probation! Probation!
What am I doing? I am blowing Dodge. I'm getting out of town. Whatever you call it, I am running away from my responsibilities. Arm feels good.
Whereabouts, but obviously he still continues to pull ahead. We're going to try to keep up with him as long as we can.
Yeah, Don, we're going to let you all kind of put the pedal to the metal there and continue to keep him in sight. But we can see a lot of 18-wheelers. Obviously, there's a lot of commercial traffic on I-10 East as it passes through our area.
Right.
But we think he is already approaching Winnie. He's very close to there right now.
Yeah, he's close to Winnie. He's not approached it yet because you still have 3 lanes of traffic.
Well, and he's hitting a lot of traffic right now.
Hitting a lot of traffic, but eventually those 3 lanes will be reduced to 2. That's close to Winnie. You're into Chambers County now. You're way outside of Harris County line, but yet he continues to move. You can't put spike strips. That's just not feasible, not doable at this point because there's so many other vehicles on the road.
It looks like we may see some police officials there. I'm not sure.
Police
some
on the
flashing
side.
lights, yeah.
But you know what? That might be something else as well because that guy just, is cruising by all of this and well, for him, this just may be a Thursday drive, you know? This is just crazy what he is doing.
Well,
Just
we believe he's
unbelievable.
in a stolen vehicle, which obviously is giving him incentive to move even faster. But at some point, you know, he's going to run either out of road or out of gas, or worse still, he might get involved in a traffic accident there. And we continue to see him just weaving in and out, obviously trying to elude as many people as possible. Can you still see the police helicopter, Don, or are they gone as well?
Well, Melanie, I can't I can't turn around to look. I assume that HPD Fox helicopter is up with us. Mike just confirmed that they are here with us, and they also are trying to keep up.
Well, we will leave you be to go ahead and try to keep him in your sights there, but...
Well, I think this is one of the first times where the vehicle has actually outrun the chopper.
Yeah.
I don't know how other way to put it, but I think that's what's happening here, because it's tough to see him, and you could see him right there on the far left. He's right there on the shoulder right now, passing that box truck and going into the middle lane. If you're looking at the middle of the screen, that's where he is. And you'll see him pull over here. Whoa, people are pulling over now,
they sure
but he's still on the left side. And he's running into a lot of traffic over here. Let's see what he does. He's way over onto the right shoulder, continuing to cruise, still backs that 18-wheeler, and getting now back on the far left lane.
It's almost like he's
Now
trying